Welcome to the webinar, Registering for the 2020 Statewide Showcase. Due to COVID-19, the 2020 State 4-H Showcase will be entirely virtual. Each family is responsible for registering directly, which we will walk you through today. Each 4-H participant can enter up to 2 static projects in the same or different project area, 2 animals per species, plus a public presentation or participate in a club performing arts. Animal projects will be registered in fair entry and judged through Walton webcasting. As part of registering in fair entry, you will need to provide 3 photos of your animal's ID, and if a market animal, an estimated weight. Registration papers will be pulled from the animal's ID submitted in 4-H Online earlier this year. If the registration paper was pending, or for any other reason the registration paper was not uploaded in 4-H Online, the registration paper must be uploaded during State Showcase registration and fair entry. An optional field for this is available for all registered animal classes. Next, head to fair entry to register your animals. Now that you are on the 2020 4-H Minnesota State Showcase Fair Entry webpage, click Sign In with 4-H Online. This will be the same 4-H Online username and password as you used for your county fair. If you need to reset or change your password, that must be done in 4-H Online first. Click Register an Exhibitor. Click on Individual. Click on the 4-H member you are registering and then hit Continue. Here you can enter any special considerations that you may have. Then click Continue. Review your information, then click Continue to Entries. Click Add an Entry to Laverne. Select your department area. Laverne is showing sheep. Then select the division, Market Lamb. Finally, select a class. Laverne is entering a speckle-faced market lamb. Then click Continue. Next, select your club and then Continue. Next, click Add an Animal. Your IDs will populate from 4-H Online. Select the animal to match this entry. Then click Select Animal at the bottom of the screen. Review the entry information and click Continue. Next, select your t-shirt size. If you are showing a market animal, you will be required to enter your estimated weight here. Click Continue. Now, you will be asked to submit the photos of your project ID. Underneath the Select File button, you can view the supported file formats. The first 3 picture fields are required, and the rest are optional. Keep in mind this is for ID purposes. Once you are finished uploading, click Continue. Laverne has finished submitting her animals, so we'll continue to payment. Then you will see the invoice, which is $0 as payment is collected through Walton webcasting. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Finally, hit Submit. You are registered for the 2020 State Showcase Livestock event. Registration will open in Walton webcasting on August 24th. You will then need to take a video of the 4-H'er showing the animal, which will be uploaded to Walton webcasting by the deadline of August 31st. Guidelines for your animal video are posted on the Statewide Showcase website. Following email notification by staff, register online at Cyber Stock Show, including payment of $35 per animal registration fee. Check back for a webinar with directions on how to register. After registering, you will receive an email with Walton webcasting containing the entry form for your animals, which will include the ability for you to upload your video. Congratulations and good luck!